Hi guys, check us out. This is a Mossberg ATR in 308. So what this has come in for is the guy fell and broke this integrated sling swivel off the stock, and now he can't put a sling on it, and therefore he can't take it hunting. So he brought it to me and asked me to make a plan. So that's what we'll do. There you go, guys. So I took out that material, or that web. I took that web out and then put one of those in all the way through, and then it comes with a nut. Put the nut on the inside so it's pulling on that rib, and that's what it looks like. And if you put a sling on there, yeah, makes it serviceable once again. There you go, guys. Hopefully that helps somebody out there. Stay safe. We talk again. Cheers.